An idiom is a phrase or expression that has a meaning different from the literal meanings of its individual words. Idioms are often unique to a language and can be difficult to understand if you interpret them word for word. Here are some common idioms along with their meanings and examples. 1. Break the ice. Meaning to start a conversation in a social situation, especially among people who have just met. Example: at the beginning of the meeting, the manager told a joke to break the ice. 2. Spill the beans. Meaning to reveal a secret or disclose information prematurely. Example: we were planning a surprise party, but John accidentally spilled the beans. 3. Piece of cake. Meaning something that is very easy to do. Example: the exam was a piece of cake. I finished it in 20 minutes. 4. Let the cat out of the bag. Meaning to accidentally reveal a secret. Example: I was going to tell her about the promotion, but someone else let the cat out of the bag first. 5. Hit the nail on the head. Meaning to describe exactly what is causing a situation or problem. Example: when she said that lack of sleep was the reason for my bad mood, she hit the nail on the head. 6. Bite the bullet. Meaning to endure a painful or otherwise unpleasant situation that is unavoidable. Example: you'll just have to bite the bullet and tell your boss you made a mistake. Why learn idioms? Understanding and using idioms is essential for advanced language learners because idioms are frequently used in everyday conversation. Knowing them can help learners communicate more naturally and understand native speakers better.